Choosing the wrong blender wastes money, ruins smoothies, and leaves frozen fruit chunky every single time. Today, we carefully test power, blades, and design to find blenders that truly crush frozen fruit. Stick around, because the best blender for frozen fruit could completely change your entire daily routine.
Taking the top spot is the Vitamix 5200 Blender, a professional-grade machine trusted by home chefs everywhere.
Its sturdy metal drive system and laser-cut stainless steel blades are built for years of heavy daily use. With 10 variable speeds, a high-speed setting, and a 2-horsepower motor, this blender handles almost anything. Watch it pulverize frozen strawberries and ice into a silky smoothie in just a few seconds. Every morning, this blender turns frozen fruit and greens into a thick, restaurant-quality smoothie bowl. Busy families love how quickly it blends large batches without leaving any chunks behind. The self-cleaning function, 7-year warranty, and legendary durability make this a genuinely smart long-term investment. It effortlessly crushes ice, blends hot soups, and even makes nut butters with zero struggle. The main downside is the higher price tag and the loud noise during high-speed blending sessions. This blender is best suited for serious home cooks who want professional results every single day. Overall, the Vitamix 5200 Blender earns the top spot for power, durability, and consistent frozen fruit results. In second place is the Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender, a more affordable entry into the Vitamix lineup. It features the same laser-cut stainless steel blades and durable motor base found in pricier Vitamix models. 10 variable speeds and a pulse function give you precise control over every texture you create. Watch frozen mangoes and ice transform instantly into a completely smooth, restaurant-style blended drink. It's perfect for a quick post-workout smoothie, blended fresh, right on the kitchen counter. Solo users and couples appreciate its compact size without giving up any real blending power. Self-cleaning technology and a 5-year warranty make daily use simple, fast, and worry-free. It handles smoothies, soups, and sauces beautifully, all from one surprisingly compact machine. The smaller 48-ounce container means slightly less capacity for very large family-sized batches. This blender is ideal for anyone who wants real Vitamix performance at a more accessible price. Overall, the Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender delivers premium blending power without the premium price tag. Ranking third is the Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender, a powerful option built for busy households. Its sturdy plastic and metal build and total crushing blades feel solid and ready for daily household use. With 1400 peak watts and 3 Auto IQ presets, it takes the guesswork out of blending. Watch the total crushing blades shred frozen fruit and ice into a smooth blend within seconds. It's a great fit for weekend smoothie sessions and frozen drinks with friends and family. Large families benefit from the 72-ounce pitcher, which blends bigger batches in a single go. Dishwasher-safe parts and a straightforward design make cleanup fast after every single use. It handles smoothies, frozen drinks, and even basic ice cream with genuinely impressive consistency. It runs noticeably louder than the Vitamix models and lacks their long-term warranty coverage. This blender suits budget-conscious families who still want strong performance for everyday frozen fruit blends. Overall, the Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender offers excellent value for large, active households. Coming in fourth is the Vitamix VX1 Blender, a simplified entry point into the Vitamix experience. Its minimalist design still houses the same durable laser-cut stainless steel blades as other Vitamix models. Variable speed control and a pulse function let you fine-tune every texture with real precision. Watch frozen pineapple and ice blend into a completely smooth mixture in just moments. It's a great first high-performance blender for anyone just starting a healthier daily routine. New Vitamix owners appreciate how approachable and simple this machine feels for everyday blending. A built-in self-cleaning program and 5-year warranty make ownership simple and genuinely worry-free. It confidently handles smoothies, soups, and sauces without any of the extra advanced programs. It skips the automatic blending programs found on higher-end Vitamix models in this lineup. This blender is best for first-time Vitamix buyers who want reliable basics without extra complexity. Overall, the Vitamix VX1 Blender is a dependable, no-fuss way to join the Vitamix family. Rounding out our list is the Chefman and Obliterator 48-ounce Countertop Blender, a genuinely budget-friendly option. Its shatter-resistant tritan jar and stainless steel blade feel surprisingly sturdy for this price point. With a 1380-watt motor and an auto blend function, it adjusts settings automatically for you. Watch it break down frozen bananas and ice into a smooth, creamy blend with ease. It's a smart pick for students or anyone blending smoothies in a smaller home kitchen. First-time blender buyers appreciate getting solid performance and a travel jar without a big price tag. The advanced airflow system helps it stay quieter than expected during high-speed ice crushing. It comfortably handles smoothies, crushed ice, and frozen drinks for casual, everyday kitchen use. It isn't as powerful as the Vitamix or Ninja models for very tough, fibrous ingredients. This blender is ideal for casual users who mainly want simple, affordable frozen fruit smoothies. Overall, the Chefman Obliterator 48-ounce Countertop Blender delivers real value for casual, everyday blending needs. Overall, the Chefman Obliterator 48-ounce Countertop Blender delivers real value for casual, everyday blending needs. From the powerful Vitamix 5200 to the budget-friendly Chefman Obliterator, each blender brings something genuinely different to the table. Serious home chefs should choose the Vitamix 5200, while budget shoppers will love the Chefman Obliterator instead. Whichever you choose, these 5 blenders prove that smooth, frozen fruit smoothies are always within reach.